Yes. So I'm Srimati Narasimhan and I'm a speech and swallow pathologist working in Vela Hospital. So this is like a wonderful occasion that we've all gathered here because I have known Seshan Sir for about 10 years before he left all of us to his heavenly abode, and my association with him has been very very personal because I went to him as a professional when I was trying to help him out with his hearing issues and all. He just looked at me and he said, "You have to come and meet me every Sunday." I said, "Okay, I'll come meet you every Sunday." And we would just sit and discuss about all, everything to do with the politics, or it could be my studies. He even said he'll train me for IAS and all of that. So I found it very, very touching and very comfort. I mean, that kind of a warmth and comfort that mommy and mama gave me was extremely emotional, and it still has a great impact on me. So, few of his words, I'm sure all of us would have heard that I come from Palghat, which is famous for cooks, crooks, musicians, and civil servants. Yeah. So I'm a decent cook. I know a little bit of cooking, he says, but he's a wonderful cook, no doubt about that. And the bond that mommy and mama shared, it is just the silence, a lot of things that they speak. It's not the words that they talk, it's about the silence, but the communication that happens, it is so beautiful to watch that. So I have been really, really privileged. I don't know what karma has probably connected me to him. And I'm also here today, thanks to all of them, Nixon, Vidya, Gautam, and all of them, to invite me here today and give me this opportunity to stand in front of all of you. So it's really heartwarming for me, and I don't think there is any other better day than Janmashtami, because mommy and mama, mommy used to teach Narayaniyam. So Lord Krishna was very very close. So I mean that he was the deity, or the god that they would pray to. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity for all of us to interact and think about what are the values and what are the principles that we could also take forward. I'm really happy to see a lot of IAS aspirants also here. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.